What's up, Aaron here, and if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out the Lego affiliate program. Maybe you're wondering, can you make money by promoting Lego products? Super duper cool. Okay, so let's check this all out, right? Now, affiliate marketing is a $17 billion industry. A lot of people don't even know about this industry. Super cool. I use it to completely change my life. I work full-time in the affiliate marketing industry. I've made millions online by promoting other people's products. And Lego obviously is a household name, right? I mean, you've probably played Lego while you were growing up. I still play with Lego this day and age, right? Even though I'm 42 years old, and you can actually promote Lego products and make a commission from it, all right? So let's see how this actually works. How much do they pay out? How do you actually get signed up, right? Now, the easiest way to find the Lego program is just to go to Google and type out Lego affiliate program, all right? Then you're gonna find the link, and it's gonna lead you right here, okay? And you can take your time and you can read it, right? The Lego affiliate program, what is it? Okay, and really all it is you're basically going to sign up with one of their network partners, which I'm going to show you in a second. And after you are signed up with them, you're going to get special links to promote Lego products online, all right? And you can do things like you have official branded Lego banners that you can stick on your website. So for example, if you have a blog, right, where you're talking about toys or you're talking about Lego and things like that, you can basically take their banners, you can stick them on your blog. It doesn't necessarily have to be even about toys. It could just be a blog where you're driving a lot of traffic, a lot of people are seeing it, maybe you're getting thousands of hits a month. Then you could put a banner, somebody clicks on your banner, they buy a Lego product, and then Lego will pay you a specific commission for the sale of that product, okay? You can also have product links. So it's called an affiliate link. That means if somebody clicks on that affiliate link, they know for sure that you're responsible for driving that particular link, and then the commissions will be, you know, associated directly with you because you drove that traffic to your link. Very, very simple, right? All affiliate marketing is just a referral business. You've got a bunch of people that are interested in a particular topic. If you promote a company, you refer them, they click through your links, they buy, then that company will pay you a commission. Really, really easy, okay? Now, in order to join the Lego affiliate program, first of all, you must be 18. That's the only thing, all right? So that's a cool thing about the Lego affiliate program is you really don't need, you know, that much background. You can be a beginner, things like that. Now, we're going to talk about that in a second, because if you are a beginner, this might be a little bit challenging for you, and I'll talk about the challenges and how this actually works, right? But if you want to get signed up, all you need to do is just click on this form right here, and they're going to get you to sign up with Rakuten, which is basically a massive affiliate marketing network. They work with hundreds and hundreds of companies all over the world. So the way it works is a lot of these big companies will work with an affiliate network so that the affiliate network can manage all of the clicks and the tracking and all that kind of stuff, give you the banners, all the marketing assets. And if you make sales, you get paid directly through Rakuten advertising. Okay, so Lego is just one of many, many companies that works with Rakuten. So you just fill in these details right here very, very easily. All right. Now, once you're signed up with all that, the big question is how much does Lego pay? Okay, so Lego pays between 3 to 5% commissions per sale that you make. All right. Now, you have to understand that Lego is a physical product company. That means they sell physical items, right? Lego is little blocks. It's a physical item. It has to be manufactured in a factory. And because of that, they can't pay super duper high commissions. So 3 to 5% commissions is very normal for a physical product. So for example, Amazon also pays between 3 and 5% commission. So let's just say you sell a $50 Lego product. You get paid 5% commissions. You will make $2.50 commission. All right, now it's not a ton of money, okay, $2.50. So we're going to talk about strategy right now, right? So how do you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, specifically with selling Lego products? Well, it just really depends on who you are. If you're somebody that's very experienced, that means you already have a huge audience, right? Maybe you've got a blog, you got a website that talks about toys, you're getting, you know, thousands, tens of thousands of people hitting your website. It's very easy to just sign up for the Lego affiliate program, stick a banner on your website, right? Maybe, write an article, right, about different Lego products and stuff like that. Stick your links in there, and you're just automatically going to generate commissions because you've already done all the legwork, right? You built the website, you've done the backlinking, all that stuff. Also the same if you're an influencer or you've got an audience on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram where you're talking about toys, right? And people are interested, and maybe you've got like 1 million followers, okay? Or maybe a few 100,000, 10,000. It's very easy for you to talk about a specific product in Lego, let's just say you want to talk about, you know, they launched this new like Reebok shoe, for example, right, or Nike shoe, and maybe you want to talk about that. Maybe you've got it, you do a video on it, and you say, hey guys, if you want to check out this product, here's my link for it, and you can get it right there, okay? And then you get a whole bunch of people that will click through that link, and you'll make, you know, 5% commissions on that particular product, and then it's just, you know, easy money, right? But if you're a beginner and you don't have an audience, you don't have a website, you don't have a following, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because you have no eyeballs to drive towards your links, okay? So don't worry, we'll talk about, if you're a beginner, how you can get started with affiliate marketing. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So I think the Lego affiliate program is really cool. Just understand that if you're somebody that doesn't have a following, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you to generate income, all right? Also with selling physical products, you know, they really do pay, you know, 3 to 5% commissions. That's very normal for physical products. I like to sell digital products. Commission rates are much higher, all right? 50, 60, 70% commission. So a little bit easier for you to generate more income. So it just depends on who you are, right? If you're just getting started, I'll show you how to do that. If you're experienced, I think, look, if you've got an audience that you know will be interested in Lego, then Lego is a household name. It's very easy for you to just plug in your Lego links and start making some money through the Lego affiliate program. If you want to check it out, just go to Google and type out Lego affiliate program, and you're going to be able to find this page, and then sign up through Rakuten. And that's how you can start getting access to your Lego marketing assets and start promoting Lego that way, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video for the first time and you're a beginner, you want to make money through affiliate marketing, you don't know how, maybe you want to promote Lego products, maybe you want to promote other products. I've made millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing. I think it's one of the best industries in the world. You can do this on the side, you can do this eventually full-time. That's what I do right now, right? And I like to focus on digital products because the profit margins are much, much higher, okay? But you have to learn how to do this step by step. There is a way to do it. How do you pick products? How do you set up the sales funnels? How do you drive eyeballs to your stuff? How do you do it step by step? Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to learn how to do that, I've got a masterclass that documents that, and you can get access to that for free. Just click the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Lego affiliate program, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.